आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question given here is assertion A. KCN reacts with methyl chloride to give methyl isocyanide. Reason R. CN negative is an ambident nucleophile. Option 1 is assertion and reason both are correct and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Second option is assertion and reason both are wrong statements. Third is assertion is correct but reason is wrong statement. And fourth is assertion is wrong but reason is correct statement. So first of all, it is given that KCN reacts with methyl chloride to give methyl isocyanide. So basically first we have to take is CH3Cl, that is methyl chloride, right? So this is methyl chloride here, methyl chloride, and it is written that it reacts with KCN. So KCN is potassium cyanide, right? So when as it is having a cyanide ion here, so cyanide ion, if we see that cyanide ion is an ambident nucleophile. Cyanide ion Cn negative is an ambident nucleophile. Is an ambident nucleophile. So what is ambident nucleophile? Nucleophile. So ambident nucleophile is those which is having one more than one. You can say more than one or more than one attacking site. Attacking site. So in this ion, cyanide ion, there are two attacking sites. First is carbon and second is nitrogen, right? So because it is an anionic nucleophile who is having because why they have two attacking sites? Because of the delocalization of negative charge by resonance, right? So basically if we see that if cyanide ion, that is Cn, so if it attacks from the carbon side, so it will form a cyanide compound, and if it like nitrogen is attacking, nitrogen site is attacking, so it will form isocyanide, right? Also if we see that here in this compound CH3Cl, there is a carbon here, right? So carbon carbon bond will be more preferable than the carbon nitrogen bond because it is more stronger than, because carbon carbon bond is more stronger than carbon nitrogen bond. Why it is more stronger? Because in the carbon carbon bond there are, like if we see that carbon has a tetravalency, so it has three more electrons left here and three on this, so it has six electrons, right? And if we see nitrogen and carbon bond, so carbon having three here, and nitrogen we know its valency is 5, so it will having 4 electrons there and it is having 7 electrons. So due to repulsions, this bond will be more like you can say it's not much stronger and it's not stable than this carbon carbon bond. So if we see that in this potassium cyanide case, the carbon side will attack the CH3 side, so it will form CH3 triple bond N. So this compound is methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide. So given in the assertion here, the assertion is given as that it will form isocyanide. So this is assertion is a wrong statement. But if we see the reason that Cn negative is an ambident nucleophile, that I have explained that yes, it is an ambident nucleophile. Also in the other case, if we see that if CH3Cl is like reacted in the presence of AgCN. So in the presence of silver cyanide, the nitrogen side will attack. So it will form CH3NC, that is methyl isocyanide. So this is not the case given here. So the reason is correct but assertion is a wrong statement. So the correct option here is the reason as last for fourth option, assertion is wrong but reason is correct. So the answer to this question is fourth statement.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।